In this video, you will learn how you can add leads from Zenler to Flowdesk automatically. Guys, Zenler is a great course creation platform and Flowdesk is an equally good email marketing tool. And if you're using these tools and you want to level up your email marketing game, this video and this automation is for you that I'm going to show you. Here we are going to integrate Zenler with Flowdesk in such a way that whenever you are going to have a new lead in Zenler, the same lead will be added as a subscriber in your email list in Flowdesk automatically, and you can set up this whole automation without any coding just by a few simple clicks. So without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, this is a funnel page I have created inside Zenler to get new leads, and this is my Flowdesk applications dashboard where I am having my subscribers. And to integrate these two tools, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is a software automation and integration tool. And you can find the link of this page in the description. From here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So after signing up, you can sign in and reach the dashboard. From here you can start creating a workflow by clicking on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So here I have given this name. Now let me click on this create button and you can see the workflow page started loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks by which we can set up the automation. So these blocks are called the trigger and the actions. Okay. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So we can have many actions to a particular trigger. So here in our use case, our trigger would be getting a lead in Zenler. An automated action towards this trigger would be to send the lead from Zenler to Flowdesk as a subscriber. Okay. Now when you click on this triggers window, you will see this choose app field and the applications listed here. From here you can select your trigger application in which the trigger event is occurring. In our case, we are getting a lead in Zenler, that is a trigger. So our trigger application would be Zenler. So search for Zenler here. All right, after this, select the trigger event as new lead. Okay. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. And to create a new connection, it will ask to enter the API key of Zenler here and the account name or your school name that you have created on Zenler. So guys, to get this key, you need to follow these instructions. You can just copy paste this URL and here you have to fill your school name and you will get the key. I'm going to show you directly. This is my Zenler account. Okay, and this is a funnel I have created. From the Zenler account, you can open the profile section. From here, you can open the settings. Okay, so this is the settings page. Come to this left hand side panel. Okay, and scroll down. Here you will find this developer section under which you will find this API key option. Click on the API key and here is the key that we wanted. Just copy this key and paste it here in this field like this. And for the school name, just open your Zenler account and here on the top search bar you can see we have this URL, and between the leading HTTPS address and .newzenler.com you will get your school name. Okay, so just copy the school name, paste it here like this. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with Zenler. Right, so we are now connected and then it is showing save and send test request button. So by clicking on this button, you can fetch the data of the most recent lead that you have generated using your funnel in Zenler. So let me show you the funnels page. This is the funnels landing page. And from here we are generating leads. I have just created this for demo purpose. You can customize the pages according to your needs. Here are the things I'm asking: first name, last name, and the email address. So let me just quickly fill in these things. Let the name of the customer is student, or customer is, or lead is new lead. The first name is new, the last name is lead. Let me fill in the email address as new. Okay, here you can see I have filled the email address as newlead@pabblytuts.com, and these are the other details. Here I am clicking on submit. and you can see it's showing thank you. That means the form has been submitted. Now let me show you the lead section. This is the lead section, and here you can see the same lead is captured here. This is my Zenler account. Okay. Now let's capture the data of this lead in our workflow. By clicking on save and send test request button, the data of the last lead will be fetched here. Here you can see, guys, we got the leads data. It is showing these details in these labels we have received here. It is showing the name of the last name of the lead is lead. The lead ID is this. First name is this. Email address is this. These are the things I have asked and it got captured. Right. Now, guys, to create an automated subscriber using this data in Flowdesk, use this action window and search for Flowdesk here. Flowdesk. Okay, here you will find it. Select it, then select the action event as create/update subscriber. Okay, then click on connect. For the new connection, select add new option, then click on connect with Flowdesk, and it might bring you to the login window like this. So here you have to sign in or log in, and then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect to connect with Flowdesk. That is completely safe. Just click on allow button and your Flowdesk account will be connected in a moment. So here you can see we are now connected, and here it started asking choose by which you want to create or update subscriber. So to create a subscriber in Flowdesk, you can use these two options. You can create it using a subscriber ID or an email address. So this data that is coming from a different application is a completely new data. So we do not have subscriber ID, but we have email address. So I'm going to use the email address option here. And here it is asking to fill the value that you have selected in the first field. So here, guys, I'm going to map the data I have received in the trigger step. And to map these labels that I have received here in these fields, you just have to click like this, and the previous step will appear here like this in the drop down. And when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, just click on the email label and it will be mapped. Similarly, map the first name, the last name. Okay, right. If you want to send a opt-in confirmation email using Flowdesk, you can make this option yes or no. You can enter mobile number here and the company details here, but these are not compulsory fields, so I'm leaving these things blank. I have filled the required details. Now, when you map this data, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation? In real time, whenever someone is going to fill your opt-in form that you have created in Zenler, you are going to generate a lead, and that is going to trigger, and the data of the lead here in mapped fields will be updated and new lead will be added as a subscriber in Flowdesk. This means you need to set up this automation only once, and this is the benefit of mapping, that the data updates automatically. Okay, now, guys, finally you can check your connection with Flowdesk by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new subscriber will be added here in your subscribers list. Let us check. I am clicking on save and send test request button, and here you can see I have received this response. Let's check in Flowdesk if we got a new subscriber. I am refreshing my Flowdesk page, and here you can see, guys, the same lead is now here as the subscriber in the subscriber section. It is showing the details as new lead as the name and the email address that I have filled. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically, as I have told you, and you do not have to manually switch between these two applications to fill the data. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.